My name is Abhijit Dhauria. Using Zhang material, we made a potentiometer which measure EMF of battery.
My name is Aniket Raj, ID number 130002250002. By using some materials, we made a working potentiometer which measures the EMF of a battery.
My name is Rohan Sarkar from IT department and our project is measuring the EMF of cell using potentiometer. Thank you.
I am Supriya Hajra, student of ITI department. Using some material, we made potentiometer which can measure EMF of battery.
Myself, Sandeep Pal, Department of ITI. Using some material, we made a potentiometer which measure EMF of battery.
लाइटें दिखाना. বন্ধ করো. আচ্ছা. বন্ধ.